WeatherTech All-Weather Floor Mats offer excellent custom-fit floor protection for most vehicles. WeatherTech floor mats are designed to be installed directly on your vehicle's carpeted floor, so it is imperative to remove any existing vehicle floor mats. Make sure your floor is clean and take note of any mat hooks or other retention devices for your old mats. Your new all-weather mats may be secured with either your existing retention system, a combination of your existing retention system and a WeatherTech supplemental device, or with WeatherTech supplied supplemental retention devices. Select the driver side floor mat. You can verify the driver side mat by engraved location markings on the back of the mat, checking the engraved W number against the number listed on your invoice, and that the mat matches the contours of your vehicle floor. Place the floor mat on the driver side carpeted floor. Check the full range of motion of the accelerator, brake, and clutch pedals. It is imperative to ensure that the mat does not interfere with the pedals. Secure the mat in place with the appropriate retention device if so equipped. If your vehicle requires WeatherTech supplemental retention devices, see the enclosed instructions for installation or call WeatherTech customer service at 1-800-441-6287. Finally, check again that your floor mat is secured to the floor with a retention device and does not interfere with the full travel of the accelerator, brake, or clutch pedals. Follow the same method to install the passenger side floor mat. Failure to carefully follow these instructions could result in unsafe operating conditions or a shift of the floor mat, causing potential interference with the accelerator, brake, or clutch pedals. Please be sure to inspect your floor mats regularly to ensure proper fit. WeatherTech floor mats can be removed and cleaned by simply hosing them off or by cleaning with TechCare Floor Mat Cleaner and Protectant. Do not use silicone-based treatments on your floor mats, as this may make the surface slippery and possibly unsafe. Your vehicle now has all-weather floor protection.